good news for those people that don't know is that the planning rules around retail have changed considerably. The good news for those people that don't know is that the planning rules around retail have changed considerably. In the old days, if you wanted to open up a restaurant or an office or have a veterinary practice, doctor's surgery, medical centre, all of those things, you couldn't put them in a shop. You'd need planning consent for them, and most people wouldn't bother because it's unlikely they're going to get it. It takes time. They would just look elsewhere. But their customers were on the high street. So they're having to have doctor's surgeries, all those other uses away from the restaurant high street. Well, under the new planning rules, Class E allows you to do all of those things in a high street shop without planning. So I think you will see doctor's surgeries, dentists, wealth managers, lots of businesses that were not on the high street coming to the high street, but that's going to take a bit of time. But some town centres are going to go through this transition. Villages and other town centres are busier than they've ever been. You'll drive along them, they've got more people in them, there's more traffic in them, the local convenience stores have traded even better, and there's no void. So that's the sweet spot, and I'm pleased to say we've got a lot of it. I think the prime high street, where you've got Arcadia and all these big brands that have been enormously impacted by people buying fashion online, that they are a bigger structural change on the high street. And just to finish it off, the large shopping centre model, there are too many shopping centres, and it's not the rents that kill the retail, it's the service charge, the cost of running those giant shopping centres, and those have seen a halving in value or more, yet local convenience retail has seen an increase in value.